Hi there. Good to have you here today for the topic downloading and launching Anaconda. This is one last software you need to start your journey into world of Python. As you got introduced to important environments, that is Python, Idle, Jupyter, Spider, to carry on with your journey, it is time to introduce Anaconda. Anaconda, even though a different name, is an open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims in simplifying package management and deployment. Once you install Anaconda, you could get Jupyter Notebook, Spider, R language, and many other packages along with it. It is like a platform that is essential for data science. Hence, let's start with installing and initiating Anaconda. You could get opportunity to discuss with your trainer during your scheduled online one-on-one training. In case you have opted for e-learning only, then recommend you to watch this video carefully and refer to the material. You could always write to us for the support. Let's learn something exciting today. Anaconda has both Jupyter and Spider applications. Hence, we recommend to install Anaconda distribution. In this video, we would give you a step-by-step guide to download Anaconda installer. To start with, you could search for Anaconda over Google search or directly go to the given link to find the download options. This would take you to the Anaconda official website from where you could install the distribution for free. You will find various installer options for different operating systems such as Windows, Mac, and Linux. Please select as per your system's operating system. As Windows is a popular operating system, we would show here how to install Anaconda package on a Windows machine. You would find 64-bit and 32-bit options specific to Windows operating system. Click on the right options to start downloading the installer. You could select the location where you would like to save the download. Depending on your internet speed, downloading may take few minutes. Have patience and let the download complete. Once you have downloaded the installer, please open it. Alternately, you could go to the downloaded location and run it from there. Allow the installer to start unpacking by clicking on the next button and then agreeing to the terms and conditions. On this screen, select the installation type as Just Me and click on the next button. By default, it would display a download folder. You could change it as per your requirement and click on the next button. Here, select the second option as it would allow other programs to detect Anaconda as primary Python 3 application on your system. Click on the install button. It would take some time to complete the installation, again depending on your system specification. Now, once it displays installation successful message, click on the next button. Complete installation by clicking on next. A click on the finish button concludes the installation process. Now you have a working Anaconda distribution on your system. Once you install Anaconda distribution, to open it, search for Anaconda in your search bar and click on Anaconda Navigator. It would take time to open as it is resource heavy distribution. Once opened, you would find the dashboard with various data science and analytics packages, which includes Jupyter and Spider that are of our interest. Here, to launch Jupyter Notebook, which we are interested in launching Jupyter Notebook to learn and practice Python language, click on the launch button for the Jupyter Notebook and it would open web-based interface showcasing your files in your default directory. You could create a Python file by clicking on the new button and selecting Python 3. It opens another tab with the Jupyter Notebook that allows you to write your Python code. For instance, you could print a message by simply typing print function and executing it by clicking on the run button. Please note that Jupyter executes each cell individually. You could create cells as and when required. Jupyter Notebook is versatile and resourceful. We would learn about it in detail while learning Python language, as we would use Jupyter to teach and practice. Recommend you to explore the features and shortcuts of Jupyter Notebook. Moving on, let's learn how to launch Spider and use it. Click on Launch Against Spider application, which launches Spider environment. You would find the code window on the left hand side where you could write your code and run it to find the output on the lower right hand side. If you observe it, it works just like Jupyter, except that it has different interface and is not having cells. The entire code in the code window would be executed at once. We always recommend to use Jupyter while learning to code using Python and use Spider when you're ready to go to the next level or develop applications. You could launch both Jupyter and Spider directly by searching for the applications in your Windows search area. Expect you would learn and practice your coding skills using these environments. With this, we come to the end of the topic and current chapter. This is an essential chapter as you should get familiar with Python environments and other software that help you in coding and developing program. These skills would eventually help you in solving real-time problems using machine learning. Hence, you take time to get familiar with these. Should you need support, please do not hesitate to write to us at hello@schoolforai.com. Thanks for your time, and let's start our journey into Python programming. See you in the next session and good luck.